Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. So that would be video number 2 and of the shed, a Tuff shed. So I will post a link to this video about the Tuff shed that I had built for me. So the Tuff Shed company wanted $350 to have it painted, but since I have lots of paint here, so I've decided to paint it myself. However, this machine here, it cost me so almost $100, but probably 110, 15 with taxes. But I've already had this for a while because I wanted to paint the house, so I didn't buy it specifically to paint the shed. So I have the now what I'll do is I will put this to the test to see if it actually works, and I'm pretty sure it works. It's electric, so it will be faster than painting by hand, okay, with brushes and stuff. So this is what it looks like in the box, and that's the machine, and that's where the paint is. There's a smaller version, a smaller size, but I bought the yeah, it's a little bit bigger size. So it looks like all you do is that's the container. You put the paint, and then here like this, okay, and then here like this, and it goes like this. All right, and then you just snap it, and from here, and then you got the electric plug here, and okay, and you plug it, and the trigger, that's the trigger, and that's it. So I don't know how long this will last, the paint, but again, it is better than doing it with those paint brushes. So I have two different type of paints. I have several, but the main one is the exterior paint. It's gray or sandy color. So let's go ahead and do this.